Hello everyone, welcome back. And you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining problem on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. First of all, close all running background apps. Now we go for solution number 1. First we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and select off. Now we go for solution number 2. Launch settings, find and tap on accessibility. Now tap display and text size, scroll down and disable auto brightness. Now we go for solution number 3. Launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on battery and enable low power mode. Solution number 4. Launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on privacy. Now tap location services and turn off location services. Tap again, turn off. Solution number 5. Go to settings and tap general. Now tap iPhone storage. Now check the list and offload the apps that are not in use. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.